Hello everybody, this is the iFan channel here, and I finally got my hands on the Vision Pro. As you can see, this is the 256 gig base variant, which cost me $3,500. I basically tested out the sizes with the Apple Store technician to see what my size is. And over here is the Vision Pro, so why not? I'm actually going to unbox it. So first off, we do need to peel off the seal. And over here is the seal. There's actually another side as well. And if you were to flip it over, you could actually open it. Yes, I'm actually going to open it gently. I'm scanning my brake. And over here is the Vision Pro. It is absolutely crazy. This is what the Vision Pro looks like. And I'm actually going to dig into some more to see what it is all about. Now let's dig inside the box to see what is inside the box. As you can see, I do believe this includes the owner's manual as well as a polishing cloth. As you can see, with several different pages in there. And this does include another light seal cushion. And this is what the light seal cushion looks like. And if you were to go in here, I think these include some more pages, presumably of the owner's manual. And over here is a dual loop band. And if you were to see over here, this is actually the battery for the Vision Pro. And these two are the chargers, with the Vision Pro using, I believe, a USB-C to USB-C, just what is included on the 15 and 15 Pro models. So why not? Let's set up this thing and see what setup is like. So since this is essentially wrapping, why not I'd peel off the wrapping. And voila. As you can see, this is what the Vision Pro is like. And I do believe this is actually a cover. And here you go, guys. This is the Vision Pro. Yes. With all the magnets and stuff. Now I'm actually going to power on and set it up. Now to actually power on the Vision Pro, first off you gotta put the Vision Pro in a stable surface. As you can see, this is actually a table, and notice the white dot over here. Now you would want to put this white dot aligning with this white dot over here, which is actually off, and the gray dot is actually on. So why not? I'm actually going to align it towards the white dots and then press it, and then later twist to actually put the on sign. And as you can see, this is how to turn on the Vision Pro. Now I'm actually going to go to setup, and then I'm going to see you guys later. Unfortunately, I could not show you guys a setup because I could not figure out how to put the record mode on during the setup. But here is the Vision Pro. As you can see, this is actually the home screen with the music app, the Safari app, the Photos app, the Notes app, and even compatible apps. Unfortunately, I did not have the time to download any apps on the App Store, but I'm going to download later to actually review the Vision Pro, as you can see. And this is Encounter Dinosaurs, which I do think is an immersive experience. And over here is what my photo gallery looks like, ranging from all my vlogs throughout Europe and stuff. So basically here is actually a quick overview of what the Vision Pro looks like. As you can see, this is what my library looks like. Now I'm actually going to close. And thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. And I'm actually going to see you guys later. I'm actually going to figure out how to stop this from going.